Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
You little prick! I'm following you and I'm beating your ass.
Hello, was it the Dashcam?
Yes.
You wouldn't have to be driving in a white Maverick, would you?
Yeah.
Okay, well that's me behind you, bud.
Great. Who cares? Learn how to drive, dude.
You know those lanes first, right? There's no right-hand turn in that right-hand lane.
Right. That means the person in the right-hand lane has to merge into the left, which means you have to wait till it's clear. You don't get to just run into people. If you want to get in the left lane,
You're just decided you wouldn't want to let somebody over.
I don't have to let you over.
But because you're an asshole?
No, because I got in the left lane, so I don't have to merge.
Everybody has to merge, you idiot.
You're the idiot.
One.
No, you got in the right lane, which means you got to wait. You don't even know traffic laws. You don't even know how traffic works.
Oh my God.
You're. Do you know what merge means?
That's why you're a locksmith, genius.
Do you know what merge means?
Well, I do. I'm about to merge my fist into your ass.
Oh, yeah, big man. Oh.
I swear to God, if you knew one thing about me.
I don't give a fuck about you.
That would shit on you.
Wow, you talk in front of your kid like that? You filthy mouth. I suggest you get back in your car, mother. I'll shoot you. Yeah, I will. You've already made threats. Get back in your car. You've already threatened my life, mother. God damn! Son of a people!
With precision, while preserving live from NPR News in Washington, I'm Nora Rom.
Dumbass! Better learn how to drive, huh?
Cause I seen them doing it. I was like,
I'm like, what the fuck are they doing?
I don't think they gonna do it. Why they stopping?
Yeah.
And it is.
I would get on your mother.
Why they not using those? They have them.
This better know where the they going, shit. Don't even know where the you going. Stop driving.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.